Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for ya at top. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day today, guys. I'm happy to bring something to y'all, something I've been talking about for a while. As you see on my chest, we have the Dream Big merch. This is the merch I've been telling you guys about. I've been super excited to drop. Now the pairs are in. I got a hoodie right here for y'all to check out. The material A1, by the way, too, so y'all ain't really gotta worry about material too much. But we got the Dream Big merch, and on the chest it says Dream Big, and I wanted to kind of resemble that V-Long type material, or at least like the V-Long type lettering, so it do favor a little bit of, you know, V-Long. And then on the back we got the Dream Big World, man. And none of this is just like plain graphic screen print. You can feel it. It feels great. And you can also feel the Dream Big on the chest. I'm super excited. Y'all know black, y'all know orange is like my favorite two colors. So I decided to put the black and orange together. The Dream Big merch is dropping soon. Now guys, remember, it will be dropping when I hit 70K, okay? So I cannot wait to hit that 70K. If you have not already subscribed, I don't know what you're doing. You need to go ahead and subscribe right now. And I also have t-shirts as well. So I might even do, you know, a giveaway and give a few of these out, man, because the t-shirts is just the same as the hoodies. I know it's getting cold out there, but I had to come up with some tees, the Dream Big on the chest, flip it back around, and then we get the world on the back. I really love these. It's a part of the newest line, and it's something I wanted to do. The last time I did merch, it was more Sniper Jones, but this time, the message is all about Dream Big. So make sure, if you guys are interested, then number one, y'all smash the like button on this. Second of all, hit me up in the DMs. Let me know if you're feeling these, if you're not, because I am going to give a few pair away. And last but not least, subscribe to the channel so we can hit that 70K so I can get ready to give all of this stuff away. They will be limited. I will be doing pre-orders on them so I know how many. I don't want to have too many orders I can't fulfill, because the last time I did merch, it sold out like this, and it was way too fast, and I promised way too many people hoodies, and I had to break my back to get those out. So this time we're gonna do it a little bit differently. It's gonna be a little limited, so I'm gonna have to do a pre-order on them. But without further ado, man, hey, I'm excited to bring these to y'all. It has been a long time coming. Hiya! Here we have the package of the day today, guys. This package is sent over by Hibbett Sports. Now, I'm pretty much sure all of you guys know who Hibbett Sports is, and if you don't know who Hibbett Sports is, I need to ask you, bro, where have you been? Hibbett Sports not only keeps us updated with the latest sneakers that's coming out, whether it be Jordan, Yeezy, Puma, Reebok, but they also have teamed up with City Gear, so you can get fly over there too. You know what I'm saying? They definitely have a lot of clothing options over there. Check out City Gear, check out Hibbett Sports. They always keep your boy laced up. So in this box, I'm pretty sure I probably already showed y'all what they are in the thumbnail, but regardless, I mean, I gotta open this up and get the review on, because I mean, this is maybe the best Jordan 4 of the year. Well, the Off-White 4s came out, so the best Jordan 4 general release of the year. Okay, we can put it up there with that. It's great to have a pair that's my size, man. I tell you that, because I know for a fact, come release day, this shoe will be a hard one to get. And it's supposed to be a lot of pairs out there, but when you get like a fan favorite Air Jordan 4 like this, no matter how many pairs are available, it's still gonna be people that needs pairs. And it's gonna be a shoe that everybody and their mama gonna have their hands on, man. So do not sleep just because it's a popular release and think that it's gonna be a lot and you automatically gonna get yours, bro. It don't work like that all the time, you know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta be on your P's and Q's, be on your Q's and your P's. It's time, man. It is time. Now, this sneaker is actually dropping this weekend for the retail price of $220. Hibbett Sports did have this available on the app, but if you guys did not already enter on the app, it is too late. So make sure you guys head over to Hibbett Sports app and check the launch day calendar. It will show you all the shoes that's dropping that week, and I'll also show you when the reservations opened up, and it'll show you if it's closed. So I'm sorry if you're watching this, you're a little bit too late. Better luck next time, but here we have it, the Air Jordan 4. Fire red. Now, when it comes to the 4s, man, I always tell y'all, some people say I'm tripping, some people say I'm spot on, but they do fit kind of bulky, you feel me? And on top of that, they might be a little uncomfortable, but regardless, uncomfortable, bulky or not, this is a pretty shoe, bro. Look at this. Are you serious, man? Gotta be one of the most beautiful Air Jordan 4s to have released. It really is one of my favorites, other than the Air Jordan 4 Bread, when it comes to like general release Jordan 4. I love the Cool Grade too. Cool Grade 4 is very slept on, but I mean, come on, man. You gotta love the Air Jordan 4 Fire Red. Fire Red colorway is probably one of the most popular, right? We love the Air Jordan Fire Red 5s. That's another one of my favorite, and the Fire Red 4. Very quickly, just to go over this, man, I know maybe a few of y'all seen some videos I did in the past, but I'm just happy to have a pair in my size so I can actually throw these on foot and do a try on, because as much fire as these is, they gotta go on feet. Something that I failed to mention in the last video, somebody told me, where's the second shoe at? So I wanted to go over that. Somebody said that this is the old way that Air Jordan used to do the hang tag, and I had no idea. So they were saying the hang tag on this Air Jordan is a lot lighter, and they were saying like in the early 80s or late 90s or early 90s, I'm sorry, the Jordan hang tag was like this. I had no idea, you know what I'm saying? So y'all be putting me on stuff too. I love my sneakers, bro, but I never feel like, if you ever feel like you know everything, you don't know enough, okay? So it's always some room to gain some knowledge. So I appreciate y'all down below in the comments that be on me, making sure I stay on my A game. You know, I appreciate it. What I want y'all to do is comment your favorite Air Jordan 4s of all time down below in the comment section. If I'm gonna do my top three, I'm talking about general release. I don't really want to go too hype, but if we talk about general release, I think I'm gonna have to go Red 4 number 1, Fire Red 4 number 2, and the last one I think I'm gonna have to go, I like the, well, Lightning 4s to me is kind of, Thunder 4s are kind of nah. I'm gonna go with Oreo 4s at number 3. A sleeper. I'm gonna go Oreo 4s number 3. So I got the Red 4s, Fire Red 4s, and the Oreo 4s. And the good thing is I actually got all 3 pairs. So that's kind of cool if you think about it. I like those. Some sleepers is like the Motorsport 4s. I thought those were like sleepers, even though they came out. A lot of people didn't really rock with those too much. I feel like that could be, you know, a nice little either or, the black colorway or the white colorway. Cool gray 4s as well. There's a lot of good colorways out there in the 4. But what I'm gonna do right now is throw these on foot, come back and let y'all know how I'm feeling about them. Let's get into it. Alright guys, we are back from the on foot portion of the video. Once again, let me shout out Hibbett Sports for coming through one time, showing your boy love and giving me the Air Jordan 4. Technically, maybe, depending on what y'all say, this might be the Air Jordan 4 of the year. I mean, Nike Air on the back, Chicago Bulls colorway, white netting, the red, white, gray outer sole. I mean, it really don't get no better than this. Make sure y'all comment down below your favorite Air Jordan 4s of all time. And also, do not forget to check out the merch, man. Here goes the hoodies. Alright. We also got the t-shirts coming in, man. So be on the lookout. Stay tuned, man. I'm very excited for this drop. I really wanted to do well. So if you have been supporting me, if you love the channel, if you support me, then please make sure you grab your hoodie, grab your t-shirt, you know, whatever. I truly appreciate all of you guys. I'm gonna try to have just about all of the big sizes I can. I know last time I didn't have no XXL, so this time I will have some for my XXL guys out there. Don't even worry about it. Snipe got you. Until next time, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.